Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do basic programming of Arduino Uno using TinkerCAD. TinkerCAD is really a very interesting software, for it allows one to interact with his or her product before launching, and it also has this really interesting function for code. So in this function you can use blocks, or you can use text to program the Arduino. So it's really easy to follow and easy to learn. So for example, this is a basic program for controlling two LEDs that I developed. So maybe if I start with simulation, so that you can see maybe what we'll be building in this video. So these are two LEDs, and as you can see, this Arduino has some pins. These are the digital pins and also the analog pins. So these two LEDs will be controlled by these two pins, digital pin 3 and digital pin 2. So let me just go ahead with the simulation and see how it works. So you can see, maybe if I zoom, it's like the disco lights, or maybe the Christmas lights. So the LEDs work in such a way that I control them using time. They are time based. So the first LED comes on first, and then it remains on for 3 seconds, and then goes off, and then the next LED also comes on, then comes on for 3 seconds, and then they all goes off, and then after that they come on at the same time, then they go off. So we can see it in the code here. So the first LED comes on high for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, then there's the second LED also comes on for 3 seconds, and then after that, then the first LED goes off, and then after 1 second, maybe you can put 3 seconds. It's okay. So 3 seconds. So after that, it goes the second LED goes off also, and then after 3 seconds, all of them goes high. The output pin 2 and 3 comes high, and then this loop is repeated. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to do this basic program using this code, but also just maybe in the next videos I'll show you how to use the if loops and the if else, and so it's really very interesting stuff. So you can decide to use the text or the code, the blocks. So if you use the blocks, the text comes here automatically, where you first declare the pins you use, pin number 2 and 3 digital pins, and then now this is the loop. It's called void loop. So it just repeats itself. So 3000 milliseconds, the first one, then the second one also comes on, and then all of them comes high, then this loop is repeated. So maybe you can simulate again and see. Stop first, and because then we now cannot start the simulation. So this one comes on 3 seconds, this one comes on 3 seconds, then this one goes off 3 seconds, then this one goes off 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, all of them comes on, and then the loop is repeated. So maybe okay, let me try and start it all over again so that you can see. So I'm going to stop the simulation. I'm going to delete these ones, so you start all over again. Maybe you can increase some LEDs, and can also create maybe a traffic light system. So maybe for now we can also use the 4 LEDs, and we can also use the digital pin. You can use this pin. Let's just use the part pin 4 also. So maybe you can use pin 4 to use this line, and then maybe can put it red because it's actually the one that will be supplying. So it's called sourcing. This the ground will be the common, and then the pins, the output pins, will be the one that will be supplying the positive. So also you can put this one around there, and then we call here, can put it there. Yes, so we have 3 pins. No, we have the four digital pins, and so we'll be controlling four LEDs. So the LEDs, the longer pin is the anode, so it's the positive, and then the shorter pin, then the cathode, the negative. So the shorter one will come to this part. So before we can also use the resistor to lower the current, also to control the current to the LED to stop it from being blown. So can also put this one, that's okay. Then you can also put that one there, and also this one. So we can give it this one green. This one we can make another color. Can put it blue, and then this one you can put yellow. Yeah, yellow is okay. Yes, I'm okay with yellow. Maybe you can also use different. Can try a different color. So can rotate this one. Yeah, and also here you have to put another one. Yeah, so can put it there, then we rotate it. So yeah, so yeah, and this one, then you can make it black. So this is the wiring first. You can start with the wiring, then you do the coding, the programming, or can do the vice versa. It all depends with the two. So this one is gonna go there, then we rotate. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, so all these ones will be connected to this part. So okay, so the last resistor, can put this resistor here, then can rotate it. Then okay, put it here. Okay, so you can put it on there, and then from there you can jump here. then you can connect this to the ground. So we are done with the schematic. So we come to code, and code we can start with the only blocks, and since we have can pick everything and then drop it there. So we have like 4 outputs. So we start with this one, the one on pin this one pin 5, or we can start with 2. So come to the output, the set pin. So we can program them to be all high at the same time. So that's pin number 2. Then you can add another one, pin number 3. Pin number 3. Then you can add another one also here. Also pin number 4. And then the last one, pin number 5. So this just to test if the circuit is okay. Pin number 5. So we come and also do the simulation and see if it come on. Yes, it's okay. This one is not. So the three one are okay. So there's a problem with this one. You can see we had short circuited the anode. We did not connect this one, the cathode. So we can stop the simulation and then edit it. See. So this one needs not to be here. Can go. We select it to delete. Then we join this one to here. Yes, I guess now it's okay. Now we can do the simulation and see what happens. Now you see everything is high. All of them are now working. So the circuit is okay. So we go back to the code and finish. So after that, we now need the LEDs to stop after some time. So we go to control and we click wait. After, I think we can put 3 minutes, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, okay. And then after that, okay, we can maybe let's try. See, it also depends with you, with what you want to achieve. It all depends with your own objective. So I would like pin 2 and pin pin 2 and pin 4 to be low, and the others will remain high. So I also increase this one. Also include this one to be low. Pin 2 and pin 4. Yes, so they are all. So that's low, and the others will remain high. So you can simulate and see what happens. So let's see. It's interesting. See, after 3 seconds. Okay, let's see. Let's stop the simulation first and see, maybe it's not coming, it's not going off. We can. So all becomes high, comes on, and then after 3 seconds, the other one comes off. So we can see. Okay, so I think okay, we forgot now to to include this control. So after it goes low, give it maybe a delay of 3 seconds and see. Okay, so let's simulate and see. So 3 seconds, all of them comes on, and then 2 and 4 goes off, then it counts 3 seconds, then it repeats, it goes on here. So we can continue editing. So maybe we can also create also another pin there. You can two, and then you can just these two. Also pin 4, pin 5 and pin 1 and pin 2. No, pin 5 and pin 3. They also can color. And then for give them some seconds. 3 seconds, okay. And then you can simulate and see what's happening. Or maybe you can see. So yes, so it's really awesome. There are so many possibilities. There are so many outcomes you can create. You can play around with this interface and see. So thank you guys for watching and for taking your time to go through this my video. Just you can also try other possibilities by yourself, as you can also can create an input, maybe a sensor that could control these LEDs. You can try to create a traffic light, and also you can try and use the text. You can use the text to program. You can stop the simulation. You can also use the block and text. So this is the final code. I can download it and also upload it to my own Arduino. Thank you.